Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JNP World. So in my previous videos I have given the lots of tutorial of HTML, okay, and from my today's class I am going to start the tutorial of CSS, okay. So I am first starting from the basic and then going to all the things of CSS, okay. So for this you have to see my full video, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel for the latest update, okay. So let's start. So CSS, it stands for cascading style sheets, okay. So CSS actually gives styles to the HTML, okay. Hypertext markup language, it is used for the give style to the HTML. Actually HTML page is used for designing the basic web page, okay. And when we want to add some extra design, when you want to give some style to the web page, then we have to use the CSS, okay. So CSS is used to give styles to our web page, okay. So CSS is a style sheet language that is used to handle the presentation of the web page containing HTML, okay. So it is a style sheet language that is used to handle the presentation of our web page, and that also containing the HTML, okay. So see here, this is the basic syntax of the CSS. Okay, so first one is selector. Selector means which text in your HTML code you want to select, okay. Next one is property. Then what you want to change for this particular selector, means for this particular text, okay. Then you have to give the value of this property, okay. Then semicolon, and this you have to write within this bracket, curly bracket, okay. So for example, P means the paragraph tag. If you want to change some paragraph text, then you have to use the selector P. Then property means if you want to change the background of this paragraph, then you have to give the background color of the paragraph, then you have to give the background color, okay. Then colon, and then you have to give the value. So here I have given the value as green, okay. Then semicolon, then curly bracket. So this is the basic syntax of CSS. Likewise, you can give the any selector, for example body. If you want to change the body of your page, then you have to write here the body. So I am going to discuss about this using the practical, okay. Next one is type of CSS. So there are different types of CSS you can add in your HTML page. Number one is internal CSS, okay. Internal CSS means when you have to use your CSS in the head tag. Within the head tag you have to use this CSS, okay, and you have to use the style tag for this CSS. Style tag means when you use the CSS, you have to use the style tag through which we can identify, okay, this is the CSS tag, okay. Next one is inline CSS. So CSS is used to elements directly. Means when the CSS is used directly to the element, then this is called the inline CSS, okay. When for example if you want to change the paragraph, so directly you have to use the paragraph tag, then after P tag you have to use the style, then you have to give your property, okay. Next one is external CSS. Means CSS is kept separately inside a .css style sheet. Means this CSS you have to use separately in a .css style sheet page, okay. This is the external CSS. So I'm going to discuss all the things, but today I'm going to discuss about internal CSS, and in my following video series I am going to discuss about inline, external, everything, okay. So starting from inline CSS. So see here, this is my notepad page, okay. So here within the first I'm going to start the internal CSS. So for internal CSS we have to use the CSS in between the head tag, okay. So I'm going to use here head tag, okay. And in the body tag I have to give in here something, say like paragraph. I want to give the paragraph here, paragraph say welcome to my channel JNB World. So this is my paragraph. Okay, another paragraph I'm going to giving here. The paragraph is say CSS tutorial. Okay, these two things I have given here. Okay, and then body tag, then HTML. This is the basic tag, paragraph tag. Okay, now if you want to use the CSS, first you have to use the tag style. I have already discussed it now. Style tag. Okay, now first within the style tag, what is the first syntax? Syntax is first we have to use the selector. Means what are the things we want to change it. Okay, say for example I want to change the paragraph. This paragraph color means background color I want to change. Okay, then I have to give here selector P. Okay, then our bracket will start. Then what is the property? Property is say background color. So background, then color. Okay, then column, then say color is blue. Okay, so this is the property I want to use. Then after that I have to close the style tag. Okay, then closing the head, then everything. Now I want to save it as, say for example CSS 1.html. Okay, now I am going to the file here. See here CSS, this is the file. Okay, now I am going to open this. See here, this is the background of the web page, means paragraph, which is blue. Okay, so this is the paragraph changing. Now I want to change the body, means body tag. Okay, so I want to change the full background color of the page. So for this I have to use the body tag, and then say background color is blue, same. Okay, everything is same. Now I have to give here save. Then what will happening? I have to refresh it. See here, full page is changing. So like this you can change the background color. Okay, you can change the paragraph color, you can change anything like this. Okay, so this is the starting example of CSS. Okay, so say I'm going to give another thing is there. I'm going to use both of this. Background color say yellow. Okay, then save. See here. Okay, so background color has changes. So you just try it at your home. This is the first CSS web page. So if you like my video, then like the video and share my video, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for the latest update. Okay, so thank you all.